Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you what a computer fan is capable of. To remove the impeller, peel off the sticker, remove the cap and take out the retaining ring. After removing the impeller, we can see that there's a microchip with 4 pins on the board. That's what we'll need. Next, desolder the wires from the board. Now you can turn the board over and desolder the microchip itself. This is the microchip. Solder wires to its pins to connect it. We will apply the positive to the left pin, the third one will be the control, and the right one will be the negative. After soldering, we'll insulate everything with heat shrink tubing. This is the outcome. We now remove the flash drive from the computer and take it apart. On the connector, the left contact is positive and the right is negative. We will solder our microchip to them. The positive goes straight, but you need to make a break on the negative. That is, the 4th pin of the microchip goes to the 4th contact and the 3rd pin goes to the board. Let's reassemble the flash drive now that we have everything. Next, we'll need a piece of magnet, on which we need to put a drop of glue and place it inside the cap. At this stage, the do-it-yourself project is finished. Now watch how it works. We insert the flash drive into the computer and see that nothing happens. We bring the cap close and the flash drive opens. If we remove the flash drive and insert it again, it still won't open until we bring the cap close. That's how we made a flash drive with a secret. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, goodbye.